Hello diecast collectors. Welcome to another episode of Studio 64. Today, we are going to unbox and showcase this 2021 release from Mini GT. The BMW M4 LB WORKS, purple green metallic colorway. This 228th casting from Mini GT is, if I'm not mistaken, the fourth version of the BMW M4 in the Liberty Works collection. So basically, minimal changes from the previous versions, other than the colorway. Still, this particular casting is quite interesting because of its dual shifting colors. So what do you say, let's check it out. And here it is. Right out the box, and with ample lighting, we immediately see the main feature of this casting. The metallic paint job does appear to color shift from purple to green. Although it's somewhat a dark-themed car, for me it's quite nice. Gives a more aggressive look to this BMW M4. A closer look, we see the same wide body kit used in previous castings. A few standard Liberty Walk tampos, but they are clean and legible. Oh, and the paint job really pops once you move in closer. Rubber tires here, and this blacked out version of the rims are a nice contrast to the car. Side mirrors are made of rubber. Color keyed as well. Moving to the front end, we see this black with silver trim BMW grille. Headlights are plastic lenses. Bumper details are sharp. And the BMW badge is clear and clean. The windshield bears the standard LB Performance decal. And roof has this carbon fiber finish, just like in the red with copper rims version of this casting. This right side profile is pretty much the same as the other side. I really like the stance of these LB WORKS BMW M4. The wide body kits are well proportioned, and the ground clearance is just right. It really works well with this metallic purple and green paint job. And moving to the rear end, we have the red plastic tail light lenses, 4 silver tail exhaust pipes, LB Performance plates, and the proud and mighty M Sport badge. The base is made of metal with some under chassis detail work. And there you have it. The BMW M4 LB WORKS, in the metallic purple and green variant, by Mini GT. The fourth colorway of this casting and another 2021 release. I think LB WORKS diecast collectors would enjoy getting this variant. What do you guys think? Leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. And do consider subscribing if you like this video.